Hi. So because of the recent Bagyong Tino and also Bagyong Uwan, a lot of you are messaging me asking if required pa ba na bayaran ang mga sasakyan na nakaloan sa bangko or bahay na nakaloan sa bangko or other financial institution. So unfortunately, yes, you are still required to pay your car loan financing or yung bangko na kinuhaan nyo ng bahay or ng sasakyan because when you enter the contract with the bank, nung kinuha yung sasakyan, yung kinuha nyo yung bahay nyo, the contract that you signed with the bank is actually a contract of sum of money. So why am I saying this? Because a contract of sum of money and a contract of loan are two different kinds of contracts, no? So when you say contract of sum of money, yung inutang mo is pera, okay? So yung sasakyan na binili mo, yung binili mong sasakyan, for example, from Toyota, yung binili mong sasakyan, yung nagbayad nun is yung bangko na kinuhaan mo ng loan, okay? Kaya nga, yung utang mo is not with Toyota but with the bank. So what will happen na kung nalunod yung sasakyan mo o nalubog sa bahay yung sasakyan mo at hindi mo na magagamit? Magbabayad ka pa rin ba sa bangko? Yes, magbabayad ka pa rin. Kasi yung inutang mo sa bangko is pera, hindi yung sasakyan. Yung sasakyan, it's just a collateral. So kahit na mawala yung collateral, it doesn't mean that your contract with the bank or your obligation with the bank is already extinguished. No, that is not correct. Okay? So magbabayad ka pa rin sa bangko kahit na nasira yung sasakyan mo or hindi mo na magagamit ito. Kasi nga yung inutang mo sa bangko is pera, hindi yung sasakyan. The same applies to contract involving yung mga housing or pag-ibig loan, pag-ibig housing loan. The same principle applies. Yung inutang mo sa bangko or sa financing institution is pera, hindi yung bahay. Kaya, magbabayad ka pa rin kahit na totally damage yung bahay mo, okay? And not unless may mga insurance kayo, kung sasakyan, may comprehensive car loan insurance kayo that covers even acts of God or acts of nature, then baka siguro maka-avail kayo or maka-recover kayo a certain percentage. Depende sa extent ng coverage ng insurance. So, yun, pwede. Pero with regard to your contract sa car loan financing nyo or sa financial institutions na kinuhaan nyo ng bahay, it doesn't mean that extinguish na rin yung obligations nyo with them kasi nga nasira na yung bahay or nasira na yung sasakyan. Take note again in a contract of sum of money, the subject there is not the car or the house, but the money na inutang nyo. The car and the house are just collateral. Okay, so I hope that's clear and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.